Hi, this is Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Binance Smart Chain. First, you want to navigate to your MetaMask wallet. You can do that by clicking the cute fox icon on your browser. From either the expanded view or the extension view, click on your profile picture and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, click on Networks. You can also find this in the extension panel by clicking on Settings and then scrolling down to Networks. Then click Add Network. In the empty Add Network form that appears, enter the information shown here. I've added the information shown here in the description below so that you can copy and paste it into your form. Once you've filled out this form, go ahead and click Save. And that's it. You've added Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. Now you can select Smart Chain from the drop-down next to your profile picture. You'll have to switch over to the Smart Chain network to interact with some apps. MetaMask will usually prompt you if switching networks is needed.